Adaptive Learning, McGraw-Hill Education. Hello, I am Gavin Herndon, and I will present adaptive learning and the ways it is used both in the classroom and in distant learning. In this presentation, we will discuss McGraw-Hill's educational programs that is helpful tools since 2009. Adaptive learning, also known as adaptive teaching, is a technology-based way to measure students' performance as an educational method of customized learning using unique ways to teach students and reach different learners. The adaptive learning technique is personalized learning that targets efficient learning strategies to engage individual students directly with their own learning path. The learning system provides a piece of learning that supports teachers and their classroom practices, along with supporting students in their individualized learning needs. Using McGraw-Hill as a learning tool. In 2009, McGraw-Hill launched Connect to Expand with adaptive learning in order to help students achieve higher learning rates. This learning tool allows students to reach their potential levels each year. By using McGraw-Hill, Connect, the course delivers success of individual students, also maintaining student standards, and provides student support. This tool allows the student individual learning style to be customized just for them to ensure their success rate, retaining skills and different concepts with positive outcomes for the student. McGraw-Hill also allows traditional textbooks in the classroom to gain a digital textbook that is more flexible and caters to a student's individualized needs. One of the main advantages of using this smart book is the reduction of paper, as it gathers all reports, course content, quizzes, and assignments in a digital platform. Using McGraw-Hill, the student is able to access learning utensils and do homework at any time from anywhere. As we entered the pandemic a few years ago, teachers have found that this tool works best with distant learning, as students are able to have direct access with textbooks. McGraw-Hill Connect Aids allow them to develop course curriculum from the library resources that was prepared by researchers and subject matter experts. Furthermore, they are able to access reports as well as insights that help them understand their students' and classes' learning curve. Assignments and course contents can be shared with colleagues, which help all educators to modify them or promote consistency throughout classroom and sections. McGraw-Hill's Connect program is within 75 nations, and with 75 nations of the company reports that 74% of the growth of the company is digital products. It allows instructors to set assignments and homework, as well as to run exams remotely or in person. McGraw-Hill Connects also includes tools to understand and support student performance at a class or individual level. From the classroom perspective, teachers are able to have more than one-on-one feel for the students, whether distant learner or in person, because they have the benefit of meeting the student exactly where they are in their own learning and be able to help provide proper resources right in the digital world. References are included. Attached are the references used to gather information on the McGraw-Hill Educational Connect. I hope this presentation has been helpful, and this information can be used as an aid to help you and others in deciding on educational tools to help in the classroom or distant learning.